Hey everybody, it's Gianna, and in today's video I'm coming at you guys with a March Ipsy unbagging, and get ready with me. Haven't filmed one of these in a hot minute because my camera was broken for so long, I feel like. So it feels nice to finally come back at you guys with a Ipsy bag. I love doing these types of videos, even though I know a lot of people don't watch them compared to like some of my other videos, but I don't know, I just like doing this. I like testing products on camera, and I don't know, it's just fun. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. This is my Ipsy bag. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is or you've never heard of it, I'm gonna explain it to you. So basically every month you get a subscription of makeup products, and you get 5 products. So there's 3 different types of subscriptions that Ipsy offers. So there is the regular glam bag, which you get 5 products. Some of them are like full size, deluxe size, a lot of like sample size products. And then there is the one that I have. I pay $25 for mine. I don't know how much a lot of the other ones are, but I know that I pay $25 for mine, and I get 5 full-size products every month. So it's really nice because I'm always getting like a full-size product. And if you do like makeup and you like expanding your collection and trying new products, I definitely think this is a good way to do it. And then there's also the last subscription, which I think is like $50 around there, and I think you get 12 full-size products, but that's definitely worth it if you have like that type of money to splurge on it. But I don't know, I'm happy with the $25 one, and I don't know, I just like it. After you get your bag, you can rate the products, and every time you rate the products you get points added to your account. And also if people use your link that like Ipsy gives you and they use it to like sign up or anything, you also get points that way. So my link is in the description if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, your points could basically be used to redeem other like products for free every month. So it's really cool, and it's definitely a good way to like build your points and everything, and to keep you like reviewing the products. I always like doing that on the app. But yeah, if you guys want to know anything else about Ipsy, definitely go check out the link in my description. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's just get into the video. So this is what the bag looks like for March. I do have to say that I'm not a fan of this one. I just don't like the colors of it, or like the pattern, like the cubes. I just don't like that. I do like the straps on it though, but I don't like how it says bold moves all over it, or it says bold moves only, like all over the straps. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the bag, but it also comes with like this little card every month. I always throw these away, but I don't know, sometimes they're interesting. They kind of explain the theme of the bag. So this one is Power Moves, and then on the inside of this one it just tells you about different ingredients in skincare. So like this one I'm probably gonna keep because I like looking at these to find out like about my skincare products and what the ingredients like actually do to your skin. So yeah, that's interesting, but normally I don't keep those. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what's in the bag now, because that is the interesting part. So this is the first product I got in my Ipsy bag. I did already try this like before the video started, so I can do like my cleanser and everything. But this is a tool for like cleansing your face. It's by the brand PMD, and basically what this is it like massages your face, and you can get it wet and everything, so you can just use it to kind of cleanse your skin. And it has like the little bristles on it, so it can really help to like get your cleanser into your skin and get rid of like any dead skin and all that kind of stuff. It says on the packaging that it helps to remove the skin's impurities by breaking down dirt and oil from within the pores. It also says that it's hypoallergenic and waterproof, and it also doesn't collect like odor or antibacterial. And then also it just says on here that it helps to give you like a more firm look, because like it kind of massages your face, and I guess if you use it a lot it can actually like make a difference in your skin. This is what it actually looks like. It did come with a battery, but I put it in so I can use it before I filmed this video. But yeah, as you can see, it definitely has like a lot of bristles on there, and then it's cute because it's pink, but it also has like a lot of different settings on there, so it's pretty customizable. And it also comes with like this little clear thing, which is like a little stand for it, so you can kind of just like, obviously I can't show you right now, but it could kind of like just stand up like that. So it's pretty cute. Cut to the part of me using it now, and then I'm gonna show you guys the next product. Hey guys, so I'm in the bathroom now so I can show you guys how the product works. So I'm gonna be using this Tatcha cleanser with it. I've never tried this yet, but I'm excited to try it. So I put a little bit of cleanser on there. It's kind of a lot now that I'm looking at it, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, and then let's see. This actually feels like nice on my skin. I don't know. I've never like even thought of something like this being like an actual like product, but now that I'm like trying it, I understand like it does make sense because it does feel like really interesting. I don't know. I definitely feel like I'm like cleaning my face. It feels nice on like my head up here. Or if I would like have a headache one day, this would probably feel really nice. I'm gonna try like a different setting. The fast one is kind of weird. I don't like that. This one is also kind of weird. I don't even know how to explain what it feels like, but it just feels kind of weird. Oh, this one's not bad. I like the way the bristles feel. It's like, I don't even know how to explain this, but this is a very interesting little thing. I don't know. I can picture this like as like an extra step on like the nights that I really want to do like some self-care. I feel like this would be like a fun little thing to use. But I don't think I would use this like every day to like cleanse my face. Maybe in the mornings, I don't know. So this is the next thing that I got in my Ipsy bag. This is actually a fragrance by the brand Skylar. This is a clean beauty brand, it says in there. And then this is in the scent Vanilla Sky. So it says it smells like cappuccino, pure vanilla, and caramelized cedar. So it sounds like it smells pretty good. I'm really excited to try it. I don't really get like perfume in my Ipsy bag at all, so this is pretty exciting. I'm really excited to try this. I love the smell of like coffee and just like stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is pretty cute. I like the size of this because I can just like use this in my purse, and I don't know, I'm excited. Let's see if it's a roller ball or like, yeah, so it's a roller ball. It's not like an actual spray, but it smells really freaking good. I actually really like the smell of this. I'm gonna put a little bit on my wrist so I can get like a better smell. Oh my gosh, it does smell really good. It does smell like coffee kind of. But I really smell the vanilla in it, I feel like the most. And obviously I like vanilla. I feel like a lot of people like the smell of vanilla, so I don't know, I really like it. I'm excited to see how long the smell actually lasts, but I'm definitely gonna put this in my purse. It smells really good. So the next product I'm going to show you is by the brand About Face, and this is the Light Lock Highlight Fluid. I want to say that it's in the shade Light Lock because I don't see anywhere else where like a shade is. Or wait, here, maybe it's Fight or Flight. That's what it says on the side. And this also says that it's made in Italy. That's so cool. But look at the packaging of this. This is so freaking cool. It looks like a pink disco ball. Like, I love the packaging to this. I want to put this on like my little display makeup thing. It's so cute. I'm really excited to try this. This is basically like little highlight drops, and what I like to do is I like to mix this into my foundation. So I'm just gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'm gonna blend a little bit of foundation into it. So this is what it looks like. I'm really quickly just gonna apply it to my face. I like the shade of this. It's pretty light. It's like not too dark. I don't know if it has like a little pink tint in it, so it does kind of look like it has like a little pink tint to it, which I like. This is so pretty. I love highlighter drops like this because I just love the look of like nice dewy foundation. So I'm excited to see how this makes my foundation look. So I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera, and I'm also going to listen to Kendall Rae's new video. Let me know what you guys do when you get ready. Like, I either listen to music, I watch like vlogs and stuff like that, or I listen to Kendall Rae's videos because I love a good, like, I just love her videos. She makes like crime videos and like mystery videos and just stuff like that. So interesting.
And it was difficult.
It just isn't being prosecuted.
In areas of family, obviously sandwich shop is a small, specifically horses, and she was.
So this is the next thing I got my Ipsy bag. This is by the brand Pink Lips, and this is their loose setting powder. So this is just what the packaging looks like. The packaging is super, super cute too. I love like mirrored packaging like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is in the shade Translucent, which obviously is good. So I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer to contour my face. And then I'm also going to be using this Dior concealer on my face as well. Fun clips of me doing this, but I will be back to you guys when I go in with a setting powder.
On Facebook, asking her for some money. She asked Ashley if she was actually, really has been incredibly courageous.
Okay, so I put some of the powder in the lid so I can bake. I love to bake, so that is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna bake my contour first. Let's just hope it looks good under my eyes. So I'm gonna bake a little bit. And then I'm gonna use this to kind of just like blend and like set it all in. I actually do like this powder. It looks really good. Like there's like no creasing or anything. It didn't like set into any of like anything under my eyes or anything like that. It doesn't leave any sort of like color left over. Like sometimes I feel like translucent powder, sometimes it could be like a little white or anything. To me, it looks really good. I am liking, oh, I just dropped my brush, but I'm liking the way that this looks. So I'm just gonna use this powder to kind of just set everything else on my face. I zoomed in a little bit for you guys just so you can really get a better look on like how everything blended out and like the way the powder kind of like set everything. I think it looks really good. I am gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer and obviously blush, so it's gonna look better than this. So I'm gonna do that now. I'll show you guys what I'm using, but I'm gonna do it like not talking.
Ended up being a crucial part of Ashley recently with her first love.
So this is what my makeup looks like now. Obviously it looks a lot better now that everything has kind of come together. And now I'm going to show you guys the next product I got. Since we're done with the base, we can move on to eyes. So I got an eyeshadow palette in my Ipsy bag. This is by the brand Visart. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh my gosh, I just threw it. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. This is actually so cool. So I think this is what the palette is called, and then basically you like pull this and then I don't know, it opens this way. So these are the colors in here. Obviously I think this palette has enough colors to create a really simple look. Cute because it also has a little mirror, which I really like. I feel like this palette would be perfect to like travel with if you're gonna like go away somewhere. So I'm gonna go in with this light color first. I'm gonna use this color to kind of like set the concealer that's on my eyes, and also I'm just gonna use this as like the base color for the look. Next, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown here. I'm gonna take that in my crease and I'm just gonna blend it out. And then I'm gonna go in with the lighter brown and I'm just gonna use this to kind of blend out the brown that we already have on my. I'm gonna finish the look by going in with this brown shimmer, and then I'm just gonna take these two shades, like the browns that I used before, and I'm gonna take those under my eye. Anytime I use a shimmer shade, I have to wet the brush. Like I can never not wet it because it just like, it will never be the same when you like don't wet the brush. Like I don't know. I just like am addicted to doing that because I feel like it looks a lot better. So just taking this brown sparkly shade all over my lid, and then I am taking the dark brown shade under my eye. So to finish the eyes, I'm going to be taking the lightest like shimmer shade in the palette, and I'm going to use that for inner corner highlight and under my brow bone. So I did show you guys everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. Even though I'm not done with this look, I'm still obviously going to continue it for you guys. So I don't think I'm going to do any lashes just because it is late in the day that I'm like filming this video and I'm not really going anywhere. So I'm just going to be using the Thrive mascara.
Down the road and calling.
So now that my mascara is on, I'm gonna finish this look off with some lipstick, and also the perfume still smells really good. I feel like it's not as strong as it first was, but I still smell it. It smells good. For my lips, I'm gonna use my Morphe Sweetheart lip liner. And the final step of my routine is gonna be this Huda Beauty lip strobe. This is in the shade Angelic. So I'm just gonna go in with this. Zoomed you guys in a little bit so you can get a better look. I feel like there's something in my eye that I can't see, like a piece of hair or something, but my eye is like bugging me. But other than that, I really like this look. Like I said, I'm obsessed with everything that I got in my bag. That is pretty much everything for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.